The principles of how we respond to an incident worldwide are the same. However, the frameworks that we apply from a jurisdictional aspect differ, whether it's AIMS here in Australia, whether it's ICS in America, or whether it's the JESIP principles within the UK. For our UK partners and our customers, it's really important that we acknowledge and deliver a product that is aligned with those JESIP principles. And so it's the ability that any one of these agencies can sit in front of our product with very little configuration or changes, and they can begin to use it because it's aligned to what we've delivered around our JESIP frameworks and our JESIP elements. And so this is the ability to create common factors of our methane reports, of our common operating pictures, of our different report templates and our different outputs, that it feels familiar to them, it feels common to them, and they can sit and begin to use it. And then it's about taking those principles around our JESIP frameworks and those aspects, but then building on that to then create that configurability and respecting what is their aspect of response as that particular agency or stakeholder, and how we can then further empower them to manage that operational response. When we look at that from a overseas product that hasn't taken into consideration those local aspects, we see that disconnect. We see an element of where the information is disjointed. And whilst we'll always likely be able to get to an outcome, it doesn't feel familiar. It doesn't feel natural in how that incident management response comes about. The other aspect to consider amongst this local familiarization with a platform that's built around those JESIP principles is recognizing that local doesn't just apply to the information that's captured, but the information of where it's stored. And if you're looking at other products that are US-based or they're Australian-based or based from anywhere else around the world, having that data sovereignty and understanding and being able to trust that the information that you are creating, that you're inputting into the system, is stored locally and sovereignly within the UK is absolutely paramount.